Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys? Here we have a 2014 Nissan Versa we're going to be working on today. If you need any parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. To pop open the hood, down here on the left is a little lever that has a hood on it in a car. Just pull on that lever, pop the hood. To release the safety on the hood, right here there's a little latch. You're going to slide it to the passenger side, lift up on the hood. There's a prop rod right here. It's going to slip right into there. Our washer fluid is located right here. You can pull the cap off like that. You can add our washer fluid until it's full. We can put the cap back on, lock it in place. To check the oil in this vehicle, the owner's manual states that you need the engine hot, so you're going to want to drive the car or have it run for a while till it's operating temperature, and then you want to let the vehicle sit for 10 minutes and then check the oil level. The dipstick is right here. Pull the dipstick out. You're going to wipe it off with a rag and then reinsert the dipstick. Let it sit for a second. Pull the dipstick out and recheck it. And you want the oil level in between these hash marks right here. This oil level is a little on the high side. And then reinsert the dipstick. If you had to add some oil, you can pull the cap right here. Use a funnel and you can add your oil. Or if you were changing your oil and had to add your oil, that's exactly where you would do that. Reinsert the cap, just snug it up. When checking your coolant, you want to make sure the engine is cold and make sure the coolant level is above the minimum line. The minimum line is down here. It's kind of hard for me to point to. It's down here on the reservoir, and then the max line is up here. So when the engine's cold, you're going to want to fill the coolant to the max line. If there's no coolant in the reservoir, then what you're going to want to do is check at the radiator. You can pull this cap off while the engine is cold, top this off, and then once that's topped off to the top, then you add the coolant to the reservoir. Add the appropriate coolant. Should state in your owner's manual what type of coolant to use. The brake fluid is located right here. What you're going to want to do is take a clean rag and wipe off the cap before you pull it off. You can check the fluid level. There's a max line and a min line. You can give the reservoir a little shake to see where the fluid level is. Pull the cap off. On the cap, it generally states what type of fluid. This vehicle takes .3 brake fluid. Add your fluid, and then you can reinstall the cap and lock it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.